I guess you can officially say this is my first vlog. I am getting ready to go out with the girls. We are going to City Walk at Universal Studio. And yeah, just wanted to come on here so I can show you guys the nightlife in Orlando, Florida. And this is me. This is my hair. I still have the bobby pins in. I have to take them out. This is my makeup for the night. I'm wearing all white. I'm going to show you guys my shoes that I'll be wearing. I'll be wearing this, still freshly wrapped with all white. So I'll be back. Yeah, say hi. Hey. I still got my pants in, my bobby pins. Wait, where are we going? Say hi.
Hi, Rue.
Girl, you just give them my public name.
Hi. What's your name on there?
Sheila.
I don't know. I'm not used to Sheila.
Huh?
Sheila.
You have to say Sheila. That's what everybody call me.
Let's go on that.
What? Is it on?
The other one
It's not on.
The other one is on.
Which one? Oh. Woo.
Okay, girl. This one we can do this, so they can't do this. Shut up!
I could do it.
You can do that. You can do it. That's the job, Mike.
It's not even recording.
You recording yourself?
Everybody.
Oh.
It's good.
Mariela. Hello, people. We in the building.
We are. You gotta show ID right here? Yes.
It's your first time here.
Gotta act like it.
Why is she in costume?
Where? Well, maybe she's going to the movie. Alright, so we are at Universal Studios. We are entering City Walk. If you guys are in Orlando, this is a perfect spot to come to. When you come to Universal, you have the movie theater right there. And then you have a bunch of restaurants that you can visit.
I need to ask somebody.
It's upstairs.
So we're not walking, huh?
It's upstairs.
It's not upstairs. Get that girl.
I thought it was upstairs.
Is it upstairs?
Yeah. Yes, because it's upstairs.
Okay, that's what you were regular.
Let's go over there.
I thought you were regular. I think she was drunk in the process of coming here. Right? Oh yeah, when I was every time I'm here, I was drunk. Charting the cocaine. Oh, it's up here. This is the groove. This is the right here. Yeah. Why the link?
Huh? She do pictures.
You want to stay? I'm asleep.
All right, we're ending the night. And
You take a picture of my ass.
you want to take a picture of your ass? Okay.
My friend wants a picture of my ass.
What's your phone? You want me to use my phone?
Use your phone. Your phone look like a better lighting.